Got a black one and a brown one. Oh. I want to try the black one today.
Pew pew.
This was a bestseller for gel eyeliners on Double 12. I'm gonna switch to the brown one for my bottom eyeliner. Next one. Let me try this. Super skinny. This mascara is super lightweight and easy to use. Oh, I got a gift makeup bag. These are cleansing wipes. Cleansing wipes. They gave me so much of these. What are these? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Huh. There's a brush on this end. It's a lip pencil. It's a free gift though. This one has a lemon on it and this one has blueberries on it. Oh, 可以了. Watermelon. Oh, 开了. 有窍门的 coconut. Oh, 厉害了. It's another free lip pencil. Grapefruit. Oh, this one is different. I finally have all of these. Which one should I try today? And it's glittery. Some more free gifts. Look, it looks like a mochi. Oh, I want to get more of these. Looks like a mochi. It's a color changing blush that's black, but it turns red on your face. And it's called Sesame, Sesame Sweetie. Oh, this is what the puff looks like. Oh, it's a tinted lip balm. It tastes like coconut oil. Whoa, how are you supposed to use this? It's a free lamp that they gave me. Dimming lamp, tricolor gift of choice. What? Whoa, this is what I got. Ew. Ta-da! These are double-ended lip products. Like this end is a matte, liquid matte lipstick, and the other side is a lip gloss. There's a matte one and there's a lip gloss. Huh? These two are Fun 02, these two are Fun 04, Fun 05, Fun 06. Oh, it has a magnetic lid. This is what the color looks like. Ta-da! It's a glittered eyeshadow. Yo, I want to try some on my eyelids. It's a makeup sponge storage box. You can use these stickers to categorize your makeup brushes and sponges. So I got two of them. I got these makeup sponges because I thought they'd be convenient. Oh, they always have to give you cleansing wipes. Asia Young. How am I supposed to use these? But I thought it'd be cozy for the winter. We did it! 吉尼斯世界纪录。这玩意到底能站得住吗？